Have a nice day to all of you. Long live Alpaca. Pero ayan, I just like to greet happy birthday sa chairwoman ng Skiptron Support Alliance at founder ng Team Ayuda at Acro Charity Vloggers na si Sis Joby Goray Altabano ng UMSA sa Macau East Council. Ayan, Sisi Loves, again, happy birthday sa'yo ulit. And more birthdays to come and more bliss to come. Always good health and stay humble palagi. At malagi ka rin mag-iingat. Ang masasabi ko lang din sa'yo, stay beautiful at stay who you are. Ayan, Brad and Sis, pakipalo na lang po si Sis sa kanyang YouTube channel na EKPE GB Vlogs TV. Ayan, mahabang buhay po sa inyong lahat. Acton Live, happy birthday sa'yo ulit, Sisi. Palagi ka lang mag-iingat at stay humble. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And I am Sis J. Andor of Bakaka Skiptron Council in CIC Cagraray Island Chapter. And I am also one of the member of Sorority Vloggers Worldwide Official. Ayan, mahabang buhay at long live sa'yo. Long live Alpaca Paro.